Right folks, it's unbelievably windy today. I've stopped here at the Montrose Basin. Looks like some amazing sandstorms going on, so we're going to try and catch it if we can before it blows away, but I've never seen it this windy for a long time, folks. Crazy. Whoa! So cold. It's freezing.
Right, what we'll do, we'll drive that way, folks, and see what happens. And my camera's actually all covered in sand now. Amazing. Right, we'll head that way and see if we can drive through the sandstorm.
It's certainly a lot calmer up here, folks. I've moved up to the cemetery. Looks like the sandstorm's moved into town now, so I'm going to walk around a bit, see if we can get down onto the Basin sands. Yeah, my car's pure covered in sand. I'm going to give it a wash now. Look at that, folks, behind me. It's amazing, eh? That's Montrose behind me in the sandstorm. It's crazy. Right, it's my first time ever sandstorm chasing. It looks like it's blowing in towards the town now. I just spoke to a subscriber there, folks. So you can't go anywhere without people recognising you. He goes, "Oh, you're from strange places in Scotland." So hello, that's man. I forgot to ask your name. He's going to tag us on Instagram. But yeah, this is the first time I think I've been actually down on the Basin as well. Stood on the Basin. You can actually walk across it. Let's try a bit. Should have put my boots on actually. But yeah, I think I might head back into the town now. Try and catch some more of the sandstorm. Right, folks, look at the state of my car now. Look. With the sand. Look at that.
Right, folks, look at my car. It's like I've driven through the desert. So I'm going to head out now and try and get back into Montrose.
Right, I thought the beach would be mobbed today, folks, but obviously because of the weather, it looks empty. There's 2 people walking, but you won't believe how cold it is. I know I've said it a few times, but it is bitterly cold today. I think it's like -1. It started to snow there a minute ago amongst all the sandstorms. But it's so cold. I've lost my mojo for walking the last few days because of the weather, but I'm going to go down onto the beach just for a wee stroll. Check out some more of the erosion, because some of the golf course fell back into the sea the other day with the gusts of winds. So let's walk along and we'll go and check out a wee bit of the erosion, folks. But the one good thing is I've got the beach all to myself. Yes, nice one. Easter Monday. There's nobody here. Glorious. that bit there, folks, that's the next bit to go. It's just hanging. A bit of the fairway, or a bit of the rough. And these are all the bits that have kind of collapsed with the erosion. But yeah, that bit there is next to go. It's crazy, isn't it? Crazy, folks. This bit's actually nice and sheltered. I actually just sit on this bit of grass from the third hole. The things you do, folks, the things you do. Look at that. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Right, what's this little island now? Look at this, little private little island. And the Montrose polar bears aren't here today to swim, surprisingly. I better watch don't get cut off here, folks. Right, if you can hold the camera still enough in this wind, you can see more sandstorms over there at Skerdiness. You see that, folks? Right, okay, back off the island. Whoa! And we'll head back to the car and go to the next storm. Oh, sand in my teeth now. Right, we now have snow. We've got snow falling. Oh, Scottish weather, folks. Look at the storm over there now over Montrose. It's bizarre. I'll try and get a picture from up here. This is like, what should we call it? End of the world weather. What is that? Bend. Right, folks, snow, sandstorms, wind. So you see what I mean about Scottish weather? I was sitting on that little pile of grass literally 5 minutes ago enjoying the sun, and now I'm walking back in a snowstorm. Ah, love it, love it. Right, we end the day, folks, getting all the sand off my car. So it cleans it up. Thanks for watching, folks. See you next time.